Hi guys, I have a super sad news for you all. I lost round number 5. Also, I've already recorded the video, but forgot to record screen. So we need to go again and analyze this game, which is very, very embarrassing to me. Okay, so we are playing my native free. It's Catalan opening. I don't know how to speak English, but this is something important. I don't know theory, but if I take and take, we equalize. And do you understand why? Because this pawn exchanges for this pawn. And you know what? My pawn is a little bit better. It controls... It's further on the chessboard. Controls the important d5 square. I mean, attacks the important d5 square. And gives me more space. But I exchange it for no reason. Especially because the c8 c file will be open. But the problem is, this bishop on a3 will always harass my rooks. So the fight for the c-file is lost for me. This is stupid. I play queen to d3. I believe this square is amazing for the queen. And knight to e5, bishop e5, rook to fd1. Why? Because now I've figured out, you know what, he's got the advantage on the c-file. I'm going to play in the center. I'm going to play e4. But then I play a3 to prevent b4, because I say, well, you know what, I don't need to play e4 yet. And I miss bishop a3. I need to take with the bishop here, take with a check, and then take. Why? Because if I didn't, I play rook to a3, b4, okay, and I can do it now. But yeah, this is the problem in the position. When I take the bishop, he's able to fork me, and I need to sacrifice my knight for a pawn, and then move my rook. And it is still a draw, but I'm playing white. I should be winning this game. Anyway, rook to a3, rook to b1, bishop f3, queen to f4, e3, h4, bc, rook b2, queen f5, bishop to d1. We exchange everything, and I sacrifice a bishop. No, because I'm gonna get a bishop back. No, I'm gonna give another check to just get more time, because after each move we get plus 30 seconds on the clock. Now I play queen to c6, queen to e4. My plan is to get my king onto d5, but this is not a good plan, because then his queen is gonna take my pawns. So this king should stay with the pawns together, hide behind them and protect them. The queen should just support them from the middle, or for example e5 square. I give a check just to defend my pawn. Queen to a2, king to d2. Now e4, I'm hanging a pawn. Why? Because after de, we have queen f7, king h8, and I'm super good here. I have a passed pawn. This pawn is very weak. The king is trapped, so it's looking good. And I'm not able to get checkmated. You guys gonna see what happened today, because this is crazy. I mean, yesterday. Like queen a8, queen to c2, queen to e4. That's what I said. I want to put my queen on the middle square. I don't. It's now a drawn position, because his queen will always be able to harass this pawn and this pawn at the same time. And whenever the king tries to defend this pawn, the queen will just check it. So we can never win this game. But my opponent makes a mistake. He plays queen to c4, and I centralize my queen. Play king to g5 to threaten king h6, queen to f4, queen to f6, f4, allowing king h6. So he needs to go queen c8, otherwise checkmate in 1. I go d5, pushing up, queen f8, and I have 8 minutes on the clock. I have many options, like queen to e5. Wait, what? let's say queen to c6 even works, right? d8, oh yeah, it doesn't. He always gonna give me a check. But there's an option of, even g4 is gonna work, no. f5. Because now his king is open, I am able to play d6. The entire point of the f5 was to allow my king a square to run away to. Because, you know what? I played d6 in this position after only 20 seconds of thought. And why would I why would I am a 20-year-old person, I have 8 minutes on the clock, and I behave like a kid, just playing the first move that comes to my mind and plundering a game. Because now king h7, queen h6, checkmate. Checkmate, friends. I go queen e7, queen h6, queen g7, and free-fold repetition. No. f6. Only defense is queen f6. The queen is lured, and king to h6. I gave myself a checkmate here. I put my king g5 on g5 from my own will, which is crazy. Goodbye guys, learn your openings and learn your endgames. They are very important.